Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change the cabin air filter in a Hyundai Veloster. First, you'll need a new cabin air filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's interior air quality and the efficiency of your heating and air conditioning system. It's a quick and easy DIY project. Next, open your glove box and clear out any items inside to give yourself plenty of room to work. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently detach this. Then, look for two stopper tabs, one on each side of the glove box. Press these inward to release the glove box, allowing it to swing down completely and expose the filter housing. Now, with the glove box out of the way, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. There's usually a small clip or two holding its cover. Unclip these and remove it. Carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Before inserting the new one, pay attention to the airflow direction arrow on the new filter, ensuring it points correctly, usually downwards. Slide the new filter into place. To finish up, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure it's securely clipped. Then, push the glove box stoppers back into their original positions and reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Close the glove box and you're all set with fresh, clean air. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.